Hey, I'm Mike Sadler with Speed and Shine TV, and it is a beautiful Sunday afternoon in Michigan. Fall day, not a cloud in the sky, great warm temps, and I am at the Packard Proving Grounds Fall Open House. This is part 2. Let's go around and look at some of these cars. Look at that, that's a rare Shelby Turbo GLHS. Look at that Dodge Dart right there. Oof, Hearst equipped. Let's look inside. Wow, pretty nice. There's a Camaro SS. Somebody brought their PT Cruiser out. I guess it's collectible. Really clean 1971 Malibu. Our first car was a blue one with that top, that same top on it, and that same interior. Oh my gosh. Does that bring back memories? Spent a lot of time at drive-ins in my 1971 Chevelle Pontiac GTO. This is a great car show because it's a mix of cars. It's got shade, there's trees, and people, you know, cruise up and down here, take cars out. They're giving rides in Packards. Pretty fun. Yeah, that's a DeLorean. Baby T-Bird, like we have. Ours is white. This is a 1990 Trofeo, factory original, one owner, 125,000 miles, okay. Look at this Cyclone yellow. Boy, isn't she a beauty? Yep. 2 4-barrels. Very nice. Oh, let's look at this. 446 pack Challenger 70 with an orange Studebaker. Wow. Very nice under the hood. People enjoying themselves here. Look at this Willys. So many of these fast Willys all the time. It's like, who's building all these? This one's pretty incredible. Look at that. Let's get a close-up look at the engine. Isn't that something? Wow. Got a Corvette. This Corvette's owned by Top Hat John. I saw him drive in. Firebird. Beautiful paint. Convertible. It's a good-looking car. Let's look inside. Wow. Nice. If you ever get a chance to come and visit the historical Packard Proving Grounds, it's worth the trip. Hi. Corvette. Nice 55 Bel Air. Oh, look at this bright yellow Roadrunner. I'm not a yellow fan, as I always say, but that looks good. Very clean under the hood. Let's look inside. Really nice, match the interior, comfortable seats, straight paint. Oh, now look at that beauty right there. There's 2 of them. 2 beauties. Let's look at both of them. First, we're going to look at this Fairlane here. Wow. It's all matches underneath. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. Look at the steering wheel. Do you see that? Look at that. Let's back up. Look at that custom rear end. I got to build a custom car. That's all there is to it. I really need to build a custom car. Looking for another project now they got the Maverick done. Look at. Nice ride.
Thank you.
Wow. Yep. Been trying to think about a project now. The more I see some custom cars, and after spending time and seeing the Galpin Autosports collection and all those Ed Roth cars and everything that Dave Shutton has built and restored. Really wants me to build something creative straight out of my mind. I'll have to figure that out. Oh, this is kind of cool. Check out the paint on this. Can you see that? It's kind of interesting. Big block under the hood. 502 it says on the air cleaner. They have a neat car. And because it's close to Halloween, lots of skeletons. Been waiting long, sir? That one's got some evil eyes in it. Frighten some children. Nova. Pro Charger. Wow. Oh, looks like we got some fast cars through here. Yellow Camaro. That looks like she goes, doesn't it? Wow, lots of chrome. Very nice. All right. They're giving rides here in this Packard right there. You can go for a ride. Let's go over here. Look at, I've got a couple nice Corvettes. Nice. Check out this Skyliner. We see these. And a lot of stuff has to happen for that to close up right. Really nice interior. Thunderbird V8 Special, 1957. Oh, this is another skeleton. All right. Come on over here. Got a 1964 Chrysler 300K. Wow. Look at this interior too. Isn't that nice? And the steering wheel, see that? It's not round. It's, I don't know what shape that is. It's not square. That was a really cool emblem too. Let's check out this Studebaker. Look at that. Isn't that something? Really nice. Chrome. That interior is just really nice. What a nice roomy car, comfortable seats. I know those aren't factory, but I need some of those in my Maverick. Wow, look at that car. What a beauty. And so over here is the Packard that they're going to give away here in a few minutes. I bought one ticket. They've been selling tickets all year long that you could win this Packard. 1956. So if my ticket matches, I could be the winner of this car. I've ridden in it. We were here in the spring. They took people for a ride. We have a video of it. It's pretty cool. Really cool. I would love to win that. All right, there you have it. Part 2 of our fun day at the Packard Proving Grounds historical site. You ever get a chance to come out here? It's worth it. There's cool buildings over there. Such a great show. Until next time, be sure to like, share, and follow.